Okay, Kia RIO 2012 to 2014 version, installed for Cogoo CG-AD050, 6.95-inch Android GPS HD player. Okay, with Cogoo reverse camera. Show for reverse. And an OEM casing for Kia RIO. OEM normal screen casing for 6.95-inch universal player. Okay, this is shortcut menu and full menu. Go to setting, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Change your boot logo. Steering wheel control. So it's an OEM socket plug and play. Okay, radio. Okay, got a DVD slot, SD card slot, front USB, and one USB extension. So total got 2 USB slot. Video input and video output, Bluetooth music and Bluetooth call. So you have to log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Okay, and it's got a GPS antenna, so to detect your car. So this is Cogoo CG-AD050 Android GPS universal player, 6.95-inch with OEM socket plug and play and OEM casing, good fitting. Okay, installed by One Piece. Thank you.